So, good afternoon, class. So, please everyone stand up for our prayer. So, okay, class. So now I'm going to check your attendance. Once I call your name, say present. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So I have an activity. So I have an activity to introduce our new lesson called Arrange Me, and I will give these two small envelope into two groups. So this is group 1 and this will be group 2. So uh, the, please arrange those jumble letter to make a word. So class, very good. And so now do you have already idea what we're talking about for today? Okay, very good. So 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 now our topic for today is about connotation and denotation. So so today we're going to learn the different meanings of content specific words, denotation and connotation. So so now denotation is a direct specific meaning as distinct from an implied or associated idea. So this is the literal dictionary definition of a word or phrase, and also the specific, exact, and concrete meaning of certain word. So, and also the connotation refers to the subjective, cultural, emotional meaning that goes along with literal definition. So, this refers to the subjective, cultural, or emotional meaning that goes along with literal definition. Uh, is an idea or quality that words makes you think about in addition to its meaning. So again, what is denotation and connotation? Okay, very good. So denotation is the specific meaning of word. Connotation is the personal and cultural association. So so are you understand, class? Okay, so now I'm going to group again into two groups. So this is group 1 and group 2, and I will be you will be given denotation and connotation chart. Complete the chart by placing the right words in the proper column. So the time starts now. Okay, class. Thank you. And the first word is snake. So the denotative meaning is reptile, and the connotative meaning is dangerous evil. And the number two of word is heart, and the denotative meaning is organ, and connotative meaning love. So the third one word is blue, and the denotative meaning is high temperature, and the connotative meaning sad. And so the number four, the word is hot, and the denotative meaning high temperature, and connotative meaning agree. So the six, the word of six, rose, red flower, passion, and seven, blood, red, liquid, life, and death, and eight, white, color, cleanless, and number nine, cheap, low price, cleanless, and number 10, knowledge, knowing something, and learning. So thank you, class, and now let's proceed to our class. Thank you. And what is denotation again? Okay, very good. So what is the connotation? Okay, very good. And how is denotation different from connotation? Okay, very good. So, denotation, the literal or dictionary definition of a word or phrase. Connotation is an idea or quality that a word makes you think about in addition to its meaning. So, they are both associated with the meaning of a word. So, let's proceed to our evaluation. And can you please read, everyone? And identify the meaning of words. Write D if the underlined word is denotation, and C if it's connotation. Write your answer in the blank. So now, class, let's check your activity. So the first one is, she has a heart of gold. So what is the answer? Okay, very good. The answer is C, connotation. Okay, the number two, Edna saw a big snake in their backyard. So what is the answer? Okay, very good. Denotation. Letter D. So the number three, Maria got low score in her test. She is blue. So what is the answer? Connotation. Okay, very good. So the number four, the dress in the store is cheap. So what is the answer?
Denotation.
Denotation. No, very good. So the baby looks like an angel. What is the answer? Connotation. Very good. So number six is a chicken. The answer is
Connotation.
Connotation. My mother sells dressed chicken. The answer is denotation. And the number eight, soldiers have a tiger look aura. So what is the answer?
Connotation.
Connotation. So number nine, dogs are considered as man's best friend. The answer is denotation. The number 10, the last number 10, my aunt has a new house. What is the answer?
Denotation.
Denotation. Okay, very good. So again, class, I am Jasper P. Suliano from BEd 301. Thank you and God bless.